Hello everyone, welcome back to MK Kreativ Channel. These are masks. An extremely familiar item in our lives. However, they are only used a few times and then thrown away. That would be a waste. Today I will share with you some tips to turn these old masks into useful items. First, remove the straps. They are soft and stretchy. Tie them like this. We use them to tie cables or tie hair. This part has a cable inside. Cut this part and take it out. Use this cable to tie a phone cable. Very neat, right? Next tip, cut along this line. We have a bag. Put the soap inside. Connect the two strings and tie the bag tightly. Hang the bag over the faucet area. When washing your hands, just pull the soap bag down to wash. By doing so, you no longer have to worry about the soap slipping on the ground every time you wash your hands. Moreover, the bag made of a mask has a lot of friction to help scrub your hands cleaner. This mask retains moisture very well. Therefore, we can use it to incubate seeds. Wet the mask. Put the seeds in. Use this string to tie it tightly. And wait until the seeds sprout. Cut along this line. We have soft, smooth cloths. Use them to wipe glasses like this. Or use them to wipe phones like this. Very soft without worrying about scratches. These are some tips for recycling old masks. Hope it will help you. From now on, if you have old masks, don't rush to throw them away. Thank you for watching this far. See you in the next videos.